Hi, I'm Karen Dangola from Di Jones and welcome to this amazing home. Architecturally designed and owner-built 42 Thomas Boulton Circuit is a home that will truly surprise you at every turn. Be warned, there is a lot to see and you could fall in love with this one very quickly. So get comfortable, we could be here for a while. Space and luxury are the hallmarks of this fabulous home. Full height entry gives a sense of opulence. Comfortable living spaces for relaxed living are in abundance. Six luxurious and spacious bedrooms await, including a second master bedroom on the entry level, perfect for the extended family or friends to stay. I have to say, I love this kitchen. It is just so spacious. Stunning stone benchtops, modern sleek finishes, European appliances, of course the gas cooking, and an abundance of storage. This kitchen is more than capable of servicing a family of any size. But a kitchen like this in a home such as this would not be complete without a butler's pantry to match. Fully equipped with its own stainless steel appliances, stone benchtops, matching custom cabinetry, and it conveniently opens up to the alfresco dining area. The perfect entertainer space, you might say. And just when you think this home couldn't give any more, it also allows you the opportunity to earn a rental income from the fully self-contained double-storey granny flat, complete with its own private access. Now, I've lived in the hills area for many years. I remember the area I'm standing in as paddocks that stretched for what seemed like forever. But just a few years ago, it was transformed into one of the most highly sought after areas of Kellyville, with this particular home surely being one of its most prized. Nestled on over 700 square metres, located just a short distance to Kellyville Metro, local recreational facilities, and in the presence of other luxury homes, this is one enviable place to call home. And considering the price of land alone right now, it's a home hard to replicate, and why would you want to when you can have it all here done for you? I'm Karen Dangola from Di Jones. You care about finding the right home for you and your family, and we're here to help you on your property journey. I look forward to seeing you soon.